Hello, my name is Renato Schumacher and I'm the CEO of Levolution, and I will walk you through the key features of Levolution platform. Levolution is an all-in-one tokenization platform to create, launch, market and optimize token offering campaigns. We believe that in the future everything will be tokenized. We are certain that the rise of blockchain technology enabling the tokenization of assets will disrupt multiple industries and open new possibilities. Tokenizing assets and services provides companies as well as investors with tremendous new ways of conducting business with one another. Some of the most important benefits of tokenization is that it yields a faster way to raise capital, there are minimal entry barriers for investors, institutional as well as retail, and it provides an extra layer of transparency thanks to underlying blockchain technology. As the world is waking up to the reality of tokenization, many companies and entrepreneurs are starting to explore the idea of tokenization and leveraging the value of token offerings. The problem they face is lack of knowledge, experience and tools that would assist them in the process of issuing the tokens. This is where Levolution comes in. As blockchain is a relatively new technology and tokenization still has a long way to go, we came up with an idea to build a one-stop shop platform that will address all of the barriers of token offering. Companies and entrepreneurs are now able to build, develop, market, launch and optimize the project all from a single platform. Unsure whether to issue a utility or a security token. Users can set parameters and choose between different ERC token standards, implement geo-blocking and restrictions based on jurisdictions, legislations and KYC requirements, and use other powerful tools to ensure compliance. Users can also choose the payment options they want to accept, whether it is fiat or cryptocurrencies. The best part, the users are in control all the time, having the necessary tools and features to optimize the token offering campaign to their needs. Let's have a look at some of the features in detail. Deploying a campaign solution is very quick once we have decided on the hosting solution, whether it's on-premise or a cloud provider. There'll be a server or cloud provider credentials. The whole solution is set up by code, the infrastructure and the components are built on demand and deployed to the server quickly. Further updates are done by deploying new versions without impacting your operation of the campaign. When accessing the CrowdSale portal for the first time, the owner is presented the installation wizard that allows him to set up the whole campaign, like campaign name, base currency, token details, private keys, emails, branding, and the initial credentials for the campaign owner. The first user will be created after completed the installation. Once that is done, the campaign owner user is directly logged into the portal. Branding is quite extendable among the portal and all the other components that make up the solution. As you can see, here there are various colors to find that can be changed for the campaign as well as various logos for various use cases. You can also define your font, and there is also a style guide page which showcases how your branding will look like within the portal and other applications. Here, for instance, is the style and branding for the demo portal, and we can view the styles. Here is a different style and branding for the Levolution campaign. If you go further, there is another campaign here, where you can see there is much more done on the colors as well on the logos. The fonts are very much different. You can see there is a lot of possibilities, a high range of customization. As you can see also on the login page from the portal, branding is very quickly possible and quite flexible. I will showcase you the login page with different branding from other campaigns. As you see, it is quite flexible and makes it really applicable for all kinds of projects. Various rules can be applied for the registration process for users. This includes country-based registration, exclusion for all available countries, toggling the registration is actually enabled for the campaign. Furthermore, the portal allows geo-blocking to block certain countries from accessing the site at all, while still allowed search engines allowed to reach the site. Also, we have IP balance blocking to prevent certain fraud, an email whitelist to limit the email addresses that can actually register. Also, we have an integration with MailChimp, which allows to set up a previous subscription mailing list, which only allowed these users to register. Coverage of the campaign stages is easy possible from the campaign settings with different dates, conditions, and as many stages are needed. As soon as the user visits the Tokensale portal, he can log in or register. The registration is very easy. He enters his email address, sets a password and repeats the entry. Then he must indicate in which country he is based and is asked to accept the general terms and conditions. One click on Submit Registration, he gets the message that the registration was successful and an email was sent to him asking for confirmation to activate his account. The user receives his activation email and clicks on Finish Registration. With this click, he is immediately directed to the portal and directly on the Buy Token page. There he enters the amount for which he would like to buy the tokens or the number of tokens. It is shown how much the total amount is and how many tokens, including any bonuses, he receives. He confirms the general terms and conditions and clicks on Proceed to Payment. On page 2 of the purchase process, he sees the total amounts again and is asked to select a payment method. He has the option of choosing between various means of payment. In our example, we choose SEPA. Then he receives a message about the order process and again a summary of the amount to be paid. In order to complete the order, he clicks on Pay Now and is directed to the page with the order confirmation on which all data of the order are summarized again. Then he receives an email with the order confirmation in which all important data are summarized, and in our example, the bank details for the SEPA transfer are given. There is also a View Order Details button that directs the user to his or her account in the portal. As long as the order has not been paid, there are no tokens in his wallet. In the meantime, the payment has been booked and the user has received a confirmation email. This payment has been received. By clicking on View Wallet, he will go directly to the portal in his wallet. There he sees that the purchased tokens has been reserved for him. Also again his order, which is now completed and green. This is the dashboard of the portal. The dashboard provides for the user the most important information concerning the campaign and its assets at one place. The sales stage indicates the actual stage, here is shown pre. Days remaining until the campaign ends, the current bonus stage and actual performance indicator of the user's assets. The next row provides click-to-action buttons like Buy Token, Use Coupons, also button free customizable by the owner and a support action. Next, the user's identification levels providing information about the activation status. If profile is complete with all informations, the status of KYC process, as shown the KYC process is not available, and at least the withdrawal status, which is also not active. Continuing with the balance of users' tokens, and below this is the performance row, which shows the calculation of tokens value equivalent to fiat currency and the token price. The last row shows security token indicators for interests, like the actual interest amount and the redeemable amount for payout. Finally, the user finds a list of all order, providing the order status from each order and also an action to view details from single orders. Of course, the portal provides a comprehensive way to manage a campaign. You are able to view the users, check out their relevant bonus and their whole verification status. Also, you'll be able to impersonate each user to see on their behalf to help them by support, for instance. You'll be able to add individual bonuses and adding lockup periods for team members, for instance, with various settings. Regarding duration, locking them completely out. The portal provides different user roles. There is an accounting role, developer role, support or staff role, admin, super admin, and the most important owner role, to provide different permissions regarding managing the campaign and content of the portal. Of course, you have access to the orders, and depending on the payment method, you'll be able to view the order details and of course accept or decline orders directly if not automatically done by the payment method. Furthermore, orders can be exported as CSV file for using in other systems. Transactions dealing with the blockchain makes a breeze because you can follow the blockchain for all the transactions are happening on the portal and view also single transactions in details. Then the portal provides you with promotion management where you can create coupons for your airdrop promotion or easily generate coupons in mass, manage them and set up different rules for applying a custom bonus for all promotion needs. Of course, we provide international multi-language management. You can manage this content, also add social profiles and much more. Furthermore, there is a complete management system for arbitrary pages where also multi-language content is possible, and you'll be able to place them anywhere in the navigation that is provided on the portal. Further feature for the completed campaign is the dynamic token price feature. So if your token has been listed on exchanges, these markets can be retrieved by the portal to generate a dynamic price of the token. This allows accurate exchange rates based on current market rates, which can also be validated exactly. The portal provides live market information to calculate the exact token price to sale after the campaign ends. Once your campaign is over, you have further possibilities to extend on the sale. As you see, the sale stage is over, there are no days remaining, and there is actually no way to purchase tokens. The portal is able, through settings, to extend the sale even after the campaign has ended. Furthermore, the sale can also start even before the campaign is started. For example, for private sale, where specific yours can be invited before the public users. Also, you can limit the user be able only to purchase when the KYC is done. You can set up the same for the promotion coupons, and there is much more to toggle features to further drive sales even after campaign ended. Actual changing the setting enables the buy token process again for the users. Other tools provide things like monitoring for the campaign in real time with overview of the sales in every aspect. That might be important to the campaign owner. This includes users shown by countries, the purchases, sales that are fulfilled, wallet balances, and many other dashboards that might be important, as well as system monitoring and application monitoring and much, much more. Things like the front end being responsive web design and allowing to work on various screen sizes and devices. Furthermore, there are many tools provided like checking out the current software release, verifying the operation of the blockchain, managing background processes, care about transactions, wallets, and maintenance processes, exporting tools to external databases for monitoring, controlling internal mining. Also integrated is a full smart contract control that allows campaign owner to manage available functions through the smart contract inside the portal. As well, a reservation of token to create virtual balances for specific users or special matters. Finally, a complete tokenization solution. As you can see, the Levolution platform provides a shortcut for entrepreneurs to realize the idea into a token that is market ready. Levolution is the absolute all-in-one crowdfunding and tokenization solution that is easy to use for all participants. Feel free to discover the unique features of our platform by using our demo. If you would like to start your first tokenization project, you can contact us at contact@levolution.io.